Beautiful cake of Dexa. Dexa 7th. Yan. So, ito yung request niyang cake. Ang ganda ng details niyo. Ang galing ng artist. Yan siya. Edible naman daw lahat ko. Mga ganito. Cake ni Dexa. Aga na. Dex's cake. Ang cute naman din ah. May 14 dito pala. Dexy at 14. Ayan. Yan yung pangalan niya. Ang ganda din ng mga details na ginawa nila. Ayan. Cinnamon roll. Ayan kasi yung favorite ni Dexy ngayon. Ayan siya. Ganda. Yan ang favorite niya ito. Ito yung kanilang standee din na isa. Come and join us for a double sweet celebration. Dexa turns 7 and Dexy turns 14. August 11, 2024. Tapos ito din yung mga per table. Talagang lahat ng table may tao kasi round of 9 lang. Tapos 10 table lang inalaw sa amin. Thank you sa Fine Creations. Pinaprint na standee din nila ito. Yung photo na to, ito din ang ilagay nila sa side before you enter the hall. Yan. Okay, ganda.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine.
Ito yung 7 cupcakes ni Dexa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayan, ang gaganda. Parang plastic ba to? Hindi, pwede din kainin. Ang ganda ng gawa nila. Tapos may mga loot box din sila. So ito ang tawag na yung loot box pala. Nalito ako sa loot box and loot bags. Ayan, so ito yung laman ng loot box. So ito kasi nakalagay ito sa per table ng mga kids. So dami din palang laman. Ayan, may mga ganito. Tapos mga candies. Ayan, binigyan din nila yung mga bata ng Play-Doh. Ayan, mga clips. Ay, ang cute ng clips na to. Ayan, mga lollipops. Ayan, mga Smarties. Ayan, coffee crepes. Ang tawag nila dyan. Mga ganito din. Wagon wheel. Oh, ito pala yung mga stamp. Ayan, gusto ito mamaya ni Dexa. Yung mga notebooks. Ayan, candy style din siya. Ang daming stickers. Ang cute na mga stickers na to. Ayan, ang cute ng stickers. Ano to? Parang mga bling-bling. Ang ganda din. Ang dami. Parang, ano to, puzzle. Dalawang lollipop. Ito, may KitKat. Sarap niya na. Parang ball pen to. At saka sticker again. Ayan ang laman niya. So, aside sa loot box, meron din palang na-prepare ng loot bags. So, ang ganda din kasi meron siyang parang personalized na ganito na din. So, thank you for making our party so sweet. Love, Dexy and Dexa. So, almost the same yung laman. So, meron din siyang ganito. Tingnan natin para ma-identify natin kung yung laman. Kaibahan ata nito is meron siyang chips. Ito siya. Yan. Tapos, yan, meron din siyang ganito. Smarties, KitKat. Ito wala ata dito sa loot box. Ayan. May mga iba pala na kakaiba din. But almost the same lang. Ayan, ganito naman. Mga stickers din siyang kasama. Parang 3 o 4 stickers din. Ayan. Ito din siya. Ayan. Ito yung mga kasama dyan. Tulog pa si Dexa. Mamaya titingnan niya to kasi kahapon gusto niya nang laruin yung iba. So-surprise mamaya si Dexa. Kasi parang hindi pa niya nakita to eh. Ito lang yung binuksan-buksan niya. May isang spear. Binuksan ni Dexa yung box. So itong balloon na to is the standee balloon. Hindi lang binigyan kami ng Fine Creations. Ganito yung nilagay nila sa mga per table. Humingi ako ng dalawa. So ito yung per table. Parang naka-stand siya. So makikita ng guests pagpasok ng table sila. Tapos ito yung kanilang cake. More on candy and sweets naman si Dexa. Si Dexy naman ay mga character. Appreciate nila mamaya ito pagising nila. Kasi tulog sila. Siyempre kagabi na overwhelmed sila. Ito yung nilagay nila sa kiddie table. Na parang centerpiece na din nila. Yan ang ganda. Yan o. Yan, bit-bit yan ni Dexa. Sabi niya, can you keep this one? Parang nakyutan siguro siya. So, ito yung nilagay nila sa candy bar. Parang isang design lang naman siya. Ito, parang ito din. Meron din silang ganito. Kasi dapat naka-jar to. Binawal ng hotel. Ginawa ng paraan ng Fine Creations na ilagay na lang siya sa plastic. Ito na lang iabot nila sa mga bata. Ano, naka-personalize na din. We have popcorn stations at saka donut stations. Ito yung 7 wishes ni Dexa. So, actually, pinagtiyagaan to ng ate niyang ibalot. Gawa nilang 7 wishes ni Dexa. So, sineperate niya daw para alam kung anong pink yung kay Dexa sa ading niya at blue naman yung kanya. So, yan nga ito. Ang ganda ng gawa ni Dexy. So, siya yung gumawa niyan. Actually, binili namin to sa Miniso. So, 14 din to for 4, 8, 12, 13, 14. So, iba-ibang mystery box ata ang tawag nila dito. So, iba-iba ang laman nito. So, for sure, excited yung dalawa na magbukas nito. Yan, 14. Lalo na kay Dexy kasi 14. Dexa, 7 lang yung kanya. So, mystery box to sa Miniso. So, doon namin binili. These are all the details for Dexy, 3rd, 14, and Dexa, 7th. Good morning! Good morning! Kinigising na namin sila. Dexy and Dexa. Good morning. Tama yung tulog niya, sobra na. It's already 8 in the morning. His daddy. Good morning, Dexy and Dexa. Happy birthday. Huh?
I think she wants to go swimming.
Yeah. Should wake up na. Kasi magsiswimming siya. Baliktad pa yung damit niya. Baliktad damit niya, daddy. Same batch na yan nasa harapan eh. Yeah. She's officially 7, guys.
Years old.
Happy siya kahapon. Grabe ang ngiti niya.
Happy birthday.
Grabe birthday.
Ever.
Best birthday ever. Ate, uwi na tayo. Yan na. Doon na kayo babawi ng tulog niyo sa bahay. Yeah.
Best birthday ever.
I have a surprise for you. Come on. Let's see your cake.
Get it done.
Let's see the cake. Dexy, Dexa.
Happy birthday.
Tingnan niyo yung mga cake niyo. Come on. Ang ganda ng cupcakes too. Oh my, di niya nakita kasi nakabox yung cupcakes niya. Dexy, natingnan mo na yung cinnamon almond cake. Oh my God, picturean niya yung mamaya. Ang ganda din ng details, bebe. Hindi na kayo, bangon na, it's 8. Ayan, so may 4 na complimentary breakfast. So baka ganun pa din yung mga pagkain kagaya kagabi. Bangon!
Money, money, money. I want money.
Loko-loko ka, Dexa. Nagbibiro lang si Dexa. Ayan, so aside sa mga gift, mga gift ng mga ninong-ninang and family friends.
Open this one.
So, marami din natanggap si Dexa ng mga cards. You want to open that one? I-arrange muna first. Ganon. Yan. Okay. Para makita natin. There you are. Dito pa ganyan natin.
Dexa, and I'm gonna open.
Yung kay ate, don't open, okay? You know how to read ate's
This
name?
is Dexa.
Oh, that's Dexa.
Yeah, but Dexy, what people like it? D-E-X-I.
I don't know. Dexy. Hindi nila alam na ang ano niya, Y. Okay, sige. Open mo yan. And you choose one gift mamaya para i-open mo and then the rest.
There's a
Let's
gift card
see.
in it. Why is
Gift
this
card?
so much cafe?
Hindi. Uy, ang ganda naman. Ano yan? Wow! That's so cute! Ayan, binigyan sila ng isang ganito. Parang keychain. Ang cute! Meron ka din. Doon ka. Meron ka din.
This one's yours.
Yeah. Wow! You know na how to read, right? Okay. Can you
Have
show
a
me?
happy birthday.
Uh-oh!
OMG, 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 thank you. OMG, 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 I can't believe this. I have more money in my bank account. Yes.
O, tingnan mo muna. Ano nakalagay?
Over 100.
Hmm.
Dexa with everything from Ate Tim,
Tamara,
Tamara,
Tita Vivian,
Tita Vivian,
and
and
Tito George. Say thank you.
Present in the world. It's the money.
Naengganyo si Dexa kasi nga may parang nakabukol. Yun pala yung laman niya ito. So that one is from, I think, from Macy. Dexa, happy.
7th birthday,
Birthday.
Candyland Party Rocks.
Wow. Ninong Aldre and
And Tita Mona
Tita Mona.
family.
Wow, thank you.
I hope it's money.
Ma, nakakatuwa tong batang. Ayan.
Money! Ah! Money! Money! More money for me!
Oo nga, okay. Wow!
50! It's 50!
Oh
It's
my.
50. Ask you my 100!
Say thank you.
Thank you! I'm saving up for Disneyland to pay for a trip to Disneyland for my
Ayan,
parents.
si Daddy nanonood. Ayan, thank you guys. You make Dexa.
Family.
Okay. Ayan, ano Daddy?
Thank you, Mayor Bruce.
Okay, thank you.
The birthday of my life.
Best day of my life talaga. Namu muna kung sa'yo. Ang dami mo ng money, ah. Okay, open that one.
Nope.
Sabi ko kay daddy nyo, one of these days, you go to the bank and add that one to your savings, okay? Wow. Okay.
Happy birthday, friend. I like it because it's rainbow.
Wow, friend. Okay. Oh my God. Nakakatawa reaction ni Dex. Paano niya kinukuha? Okay, read that.
Dexa, celebrating all you brings to the world and to me.
Life.
Life. The what?
The Sims
The Sims
family.
family.
Ninang.
David,
Yeah.
Isabella.
It's Ninang Annalisa.
Thank you. You give me money. Money, money, money.
Ganyan siya kaloko.
Money, money, money.
Kitang-kita niya sa kanya. Oh, ang cute din ng kanya sticker. Okay.
I'm gonna try to not rip it.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to pick it up.
Na hindi mo i-rip?
Bang, nandito na ako.
Oh yeah. Nandiyan na si ate.
Dang it, I ripped it.
Oh, it's okay. Nare-rip talaga yan. So, I'm so excited again.
100.
Have to read the card too, Dexa. Dexa.
Dexa, nakakatuwa si Dexa. Yung energy niya. Painumin yung hata ng tubig muna.
Money,
Hindi pa hata tuminom ng tubig.
Excited na.
Si daddy niya mag-over the papod ka daddy dun. Mm.
Happy 7th birthday, Dexa. May your special day sparkle with fun,
With fun
and be
and
as
be
magnificent as you are.
As you like.
Here's to a week ahead, filled with happiness and joyful moments. Love me ng Pinky and Isabel.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Isabel, for the love.
Money, money, money.
Thank
One time
you.
we made Isabel play at home. Remember she cried? Yeah, you
Yeah.
invite her play date.
Money,
Thank you, Ninang and Isabel. Okay, dito ako pumesto sa makikita yung background niyo. Okay.
Open this one.
Walang nakalagay? Dexa lang? Okay. Are you sure na sa'yo yan?
May nakita ako din birthday present sa'yo.
Oh, thank you.
Martin ng Ana.
Wow! Ganda ng card.
Wow, it's so bright.
My birthday is a day to enjoy and celebrate all the full
Ah,
in your life.
wow. That's a nice one.
Yes, 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 yes.
Parang yung pera kay Dexa para si Philippines. Natawa naman ako sa'yo, Dexa. Energy mo, wala ka pang kain yan, ha? Say thank you muna, hindi pa nga natin alam kung kanino.
Thank you.
Alay ko.
Kanino yan?
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Ayan.
Another text to my
Dexa,
daughter.
basahin ni ate.
August 11, 2024. Dexa. And to know that friends and family will be celebrating the blessing that is you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Marunong na din magbasa si Dexa eh. Yan. Okay? Just leave whatever you cannot read, okay? And then from
One holds to celebrate your birthday always.
Binibilang na ni ate kung ilan yung kanya.
Para ma-open mo na.
Okay. Hey, Dexa, wait
There's
first.
nothing.
Okay, it's okay. Then from Tito Rex and Ninang Nomi, Hassad and Hans. Thank you for the gift. Okay, it's for Dexa again.
And
Okay.
happy 7th birthday. Yes! Money, money, money. Money is my time. Money, money, money.
Hala, pagbigyan na natin ng birthday girl, ha?
Okay, so later, you have to
Money,
come back
money,
up.
money.
Then,
Money is the best. Money, money,
Hala.
money.
Hala, yan na.
there.
How much is that?
And what? How much is that?
How much? Nagbilang pa siya sa kamay niya.
Okay, look.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69,
70! Okay. Read mo muna yung message. Read the card.
Don't forget about the card.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Hope your day is filled with sweet reminders of just how special you are. Happy 7th birthday, Dexa. May you live in happiness and be success in life. God bless. Love, Happy
Family. Thank you, guys.
Money, money, money.
Ayan na naman siya.
Money is the word.
Okay, magbigyan. Another card. Dexa. Again.
I'm gonna see if there's anyone.
Shake, shake, shake talaga.
Shake, shake, shake.
Okay, dito si mama.
Shake, shake, shake.
No money. Now time to open. Yes! money, money, money.
Hindi na siya, nanguhulog na lang.
Money, money, money.
Nakakatuwang bata.
Money, money, money.
Oh my
In
Dex.
the world.
Okay, count mo muna para marunong ka mag-count. How much money?
20, 10, 20, 10.
Oh,
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
20 plus 20.
Okay, look, here. When you're counting, here, I'll teach you.
22,
You don't wanna
23,
be hot?
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
Can Ate teach you how to count? Oh, 40.
42, 43, 44, 45,
46, 47,
47, 48,
49, 50. Oh, that's 50, Dexa. That's 50.
Okay, so
Okay,
you know
careful.
how here, you know, you see the numbers, right? 10, 20, 20. So you remove
Oh.
the 0. So what do you get? 2, 2, and 1. So you add those together.
Okay.
What's 2 plus 2?
Plus 2.
4,
Plus
What's
1.
1 plus 1? 4 plus 1.
4 plus 1, 5.
And then you add the 0 back. So what does that become? 5 and 0. Yeah, so then
That's
is
50. Yay! Okay, read the card. The card, don't forget.
Say, my little friend, I'm getting you to get my LOL doll.
Okay. Read the card first.
Alexa, happy birthday and God bless. Hope you spend your birthday laughing, having fun, and enjoying every moment. Love, Tita, Shirley,
And
Tito,
Rodel.
Red,
Rodel. And Samantha.
Ate Samantha.
Wow.
Next time you're joining Samantha and Haven now again in church.
Church.
Because you're
Yeah.
7. You get to be
Wow.
with them again.
Thank you. Time for Dexy to open.
It's from
Okay, this is from the Tabay family to Dexy. Okay.
to both me and Dexa, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Dexy and Dexa. I hope you guys have the best birthday ever. Hope you guys make loads of memories. Maya, happy birthday.
Tantay family. Okay. Bakit yun? Wow! How many? Okay, sa kanya yung 60.
Yeah, sa akin for
Okay, read the cards. Okay, read.
Happy birthday, Destiny and Dexa. I hope you guys have the best birthday ever. Hope you guys make lots of memories, Maya. Happy birthday.
That's cool.
We are waiting.
Wow!
August 11, 2024. Be Destiny and Dexa. May every bright candle and each slice of cake, every gift you unwrap and each wish that you make, leave a warm birthday memory. You'll happily take thought through a wonderful year. Happy birthday. God bless you both. Love, Tantay.
Wow! Okay, naghati ang dalawa. Thank you, guys. This is for Dexy as well. So, mayroon kasi si Dexa kanina din.
Kanina ito, Dexa.
From from Tamara. Yan, kasi, oo, kasi merong maliit na keychain. Yeah.
It's from Japan.
I can hang this on my phone.
Yeah.
It's your birthday, and one of the advantages of being a very special person is getting nice presents from your rich friends. Dexy,
Okay.
and nice cards from your poor ones. Happy birthday from Ate Tam, Tita Vivian, and Tita Judy.
Wow. Okay, thank you, guys. Ang cute naman ang card.
To Dexy, happy birthday. A little kid, yeah. A little teen, yeah. Welcome to the wonderful world of 14. Tito Alre, Tita Mona, and family.
Wow, from Macy, Ali, and Kuya Yan.
Oh, this way, this way.
Mayor Plus.
Yan na naman si Daddy yung comment sa side.
I'm gonna show you something, guys.
Ah.
I have a present for Ate.
Wow! That's a big amount. Oo. Ang galing ni Dexa. Thank you! You make the kids happy. Okay, next one. Oo nga. So, kapag ganyan, open mo na lang yan, Dexa. Okay, be careful pa eh. O, yan.
This first.
Gusto niya itaktak yan. Okay. Oh!
There you go.
Okay. Pagkatapos din. There you go daw. Yes, celebrating today. Okay.
Lexi, today's a perfect chance to remember where you've been, to look forward to where you're going, to honor who you are and all you bring to this world. Happy birthday and God bless you even more. Love to Tita Shirley, Tito Rodel, and Samantha.
Yes, thank you. Count your blessing, Dexy. Count your blessing.
Oh, yung
Count your
pera.
blessing. Thank you. For Dexy again.
Okay, just get ready to
Okay. Wow.
Ayan, taga-puhos. Okay. Happy birthday.
Lexi, wishing you whatever makes your smile the biggest and your heart the happiest. Eliza, David, and
Oh, it's from
Tita Annalisa.
Tita Annalisa, David, mga Sims family. Thank you, guys. Okay. Si Dexa talaga ang nandyan nakaabang kasi, ayan na, there you go. Sabi niya.
Yes.
Nagda-there you go pa siya eh. There you go, sabi ni Dexa eh.
Thank you.
Ayan naman, there you go kaagad siya. All the things that make you happy.
Ate Dexa, I think so.
Okay, it's okay.
Hindi. Oh, from Hanami, David, and si Ate.
Ah, okay, it's for Dexa. It's okay, for Dexa.
All the things you're happy, happiness, wish. Happy birthday. Love, Dabay,
Sisters siguro yan.
Hanamay, and Heaven.
Wow. Ate Yani, thank you. Count your blessing, Dexa.
How much is 5 plus 5 is?
10.
What's 10 plus 1? 1 plus 2?
10 plus 20.
20, 30. Thank you. Is that all or one pa sa'yo?
That's
May
two
isa
more.
pa ata eh. Yeah.
This one's not.
Oh no, they have money dun. May money yun. They have money
I
dyan.
think ang yung kay Dexa.
Okay, tingnan natin. Tingnan nyo. Money, may money yan. Dexa ba yan nakalagay?
Wala mong tao. I think kay Dexa ito ba yung gift niya nila.
Oh, si Ninong. Maybe that's from your Ninong Erwin.
Yeah, ay nakita ko yung...
Oh, yes. Yeah. That's from Ninong Erwin, though. Thank you, Ninong Erwin. Can you count your blessing, Dexa? Count your blessing. Count. That's $50, I think. No, this one from Ninong Erwin. This is from Ninong Erwin. Yeah.
2
Okay, plus
And plus 1. And 4 plus 1 equals 50.
Thank you. Okay, the last one for today. Marami dyan, kaso lang we need to eat na breakfast, okay? That's the last muna. For now, yeah. Okay,
Can I open the
open.
rest here?
Yeah.
Today's your day to celebrate and your day to be the star. A time to tell you once again how very loved you are. Happy birthday.
Tita Nomi, I mean. Ninang Nomi, Tito Rex, Hesed, and Hans. Okay, thank you. Count your blessings. Okay. Okay, that's all for today kasi magbe-breakfast tayo, okay? So, both of them will open one gift. Ayan, nag-request sila aside from the cards. Yeah. Okay, open!
I promised Callie that I'll open her gift first, so
Ooh. You promise Kali that one?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Sabay na kayo mag-open. Sabay na po.
From Callie and family.
Okay, open.
Open fast, open fast.
Sinong maka-fast na ma-open? Dali. So excited to see that one. Come on. Wow.
It says winning.
Yeah, Dexa is winning, ate. It is okay. Dexa is winning.
My box has
Ang cute naman ng box. Thank you, Tita Marie. 1, 2, 3. Wow! See, for you as well. Wow, ang cute naman. Ayan. Thank you. Ayan, gusto yan ni Dexy. May I see that? The dress? Parang hoodie siya. Ang ganda.
I love the hoodie. I love the hoodie. It's my favorite. It's my favorite.
Yeah.
See the pants too.
Wow. Like that. And a dress. Wow naman. That's so cute, Dexa. Say thank you, Kali.
Thank you.
Ganda naman ang bag ni Dexy. Yan. Patingin nga anak, model mo. Model mo yung bag mo. Wow, ang cute. Thank you. Thank you, Soria family, right? Thank you, Kali. Ang cute ng package. Barbie.
I want to open now.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Cody and Sandy.
Thank you, Cody and Teddy.
And Ninang May. From
And
Ninang
Ninang
May.
May.
Okay, open. 1, 2, 3.
See, oh my God, Hello Kitty.
Have a card pa pala. Wow. Wow. Wow, ang cute.
Dexa, you're gonna paint your nails now? By
Yeah.
No.
Oh, meron pa. Hindi pa tapos si Dexa.
Makeup
makeup
kit.
kit.
Wow, makeup
Kids.
kit.
Kids.
Invisible makeup.
Okay, may harap ba siya? Nakakita? Hindi.
Dexa, show the front.
Wow, it's a makeup
I'm
kit.
gonna open it. I want to see what it looks
And then Hello Kitty. Yung makeup kit yan. And then Hello Kitty, something na pang nail art ata to.
I like the part of it is the diamond.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
I want to see what
Okay, open.
You got Pandora?
Pandora for Dexy. Okay, while you opening that one, Dexa. Okay. Wow, ganda naman. Pandora special. Yeah. Thank you, Cody and Seri. Wow. Ang ganda.
Puppet.
Wow.
There's a puppet in it.
Wow. Ang ganda niyan, Dexy. Oh, it's a necklace.
That's a necklace.
Wow, thank you. Yan. Ito naman, aligaga si Dexa, oh.
Bubble, bubble. There's bubbles.
It's a makeup kit.
Guys,
Oh,
just
makeup
listen. I'm gonna
kit.
do something.
Oh. Wow. Ang ganda. May pendant siya, bebe. Tingnan nga mga, iganyan mo. Oh, it's a chain. Ang ganda naman ng chain na to. Yeah, that's so cute. Thank you.
Tingnan mo ka dyan, Nina. Baka
Okay.
meron din ako dyan,
Si daddy mo naghahanap siya. Thank you, Ninang May and Tito Jim. Yan, Cody and Seri. Hirap siya. So, eto lang muna.
I get my own nails. I get my own nails.
Wow.
I get my own nails.
Yeah, that's so cute.
Kids washable makeup kit.
Yeah, so open mo siya.
Let's see it.
I think this one ka mag-open. Saan ito? Here. Wow, Dexy. Look at that.
Wow, masaya ko, Dexa.
Oh, sabi ko sa'yo, hindi na kita bilhan eh. Sino papabili to sa akin? Sabi ko, hindi na kita bilhan.
I love the lipstick.
Yeah. Nilagay mo muna dyan, anak ko. Huwag mo munang i-open. Say thank you.
Look, there's real lipstick. Wow.
And then last one, Ninang put something for you pa, Dexa.
Whoa, and you have a mirror.
I want to do the blush.
Wow, na-excite na si Dexa dyan. There's a card.
To Dexa, happy 7th birthday from Ninang Me.
Wow, may isa pa. Okay? Read it.
Nope.
Okay.
Dexa, you're 7 years brave, 7 years smart, 7 years strong. Clearly, you have princess power. Happy birthday, Dexa.
Wow.
From Ninang.
Ni. Ay, ang ganda naman ng gift ni Ninang sa'yo.
I like it.
Oh, yeah. That's,
Bro, this is so
yeah, ang
Kikay si
cute. Kikay for Dexa.
Kika girl. Mom, let's Kika together.
I think, guys, out of our family, I'm the one with the most photos.
Na nakuha.
Because I went
Ayan.
to take photos with a lot of
How many?
1, 2,
3, 4.
5, 6.
Wow, ang dami nilang photos sa photo booth.
This one's empty, yeah?
Aside from the souvenirs na na-prepare namin sa kanila, meron din kaming prepare na ganito, picture holder na din or frame, clear frame. So marami rin kami nakuha as family, kaming 4 with the princesses. Uy, nagpa-picture pa lang 2, hindi ko alam. With crew, Fine Creations and our host, Dexy with the princesses, and Dexa's Ninong and Ninang, the Guevara family. And then this one is with the host Flora from Floraville YYC.
We forgot to show you something, but look, there in the set it comes with clip-on earrings. Comes with earrings,
Oh, yun.
and also let me open this.
Diyos ko, pinablog pa
When
niya.
you remove this,
Mm.
there's stuff underneath.
Oh, marami pa. That's so nice.
There's a heart ring, matches with my earring,
Wow.
and brushes.
Oh, brushes din. Ang cute. Ayan, so makeup din to. Talagang ang gandang makeup kit, Dexa. Ayun din sa nails mo, bebe. Sa nails mo. Sa nails. Yun, sa nails mo.
Look,
Here. Dito sa, may mga pang nails mo. Thank you, Ninang May. Diyos ko, sobrang na-appreciate ni Dexa to. Thank you, Sedi and Cody. Ito ni ate to. Breakfast. Oh, dami niya natin ha. Carbs ah. Ayan. Ito yung pa-breakfast nila. Breakfast. They have yogurt din, guys. May yogurt sila dito. Silang pancakes. Egg. Guys, good morning. Ayan ang birthday girl. Ayan ang birthday girl. Okay, let's eat. Breakfast buffet. Yan ang meron sila dito sa Premier Plaza. Ganda din. Yan, so malapit lang elevator namin dito banda. Yan, sarado na ang ating hall. Ganda nga nung nakuha namin hall kasi ito lang siya. Oh. Ito yung hall. Dito namin ginanap yung birthday ng mga bata. Tapos dito na lang yung elevator. Tama-tama kasi nakadress kami. Daming gagawin. Ayan, let's go. Thank you, Dexa, for doing that for the family. Okay, so we will continue our gift opening. So, umirit pa yung mga bata na magbubukas daw ng another 2 sets of gift.
Ninang and Ninang always give the best gift.
Oh. Ayan siya. Narinig nyo, Ninang Ana and Ninong Mark.
You always give the best gift.
Wow. Thank you, Ninang and Ninong. Ayan ang comment ni Dexa sa inyo.
Do you need help with the tape? What is it? Wow, he got the matching set here.
Wow! Grabe, parang karugtong to ng gift ng mga taga Vancouver ah. May trailer na si Dexa.
Oh, Dexa, look, they have a friend. It's Daddy Dog, I think.
Where's the mommy?
I don't think it's only Peppa.
Say thank you to
George
Ninong
and
Mark.
Say thank you first.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, gusto niya talaga to. Mahilig kasi to sa Peppa Pig ngayon. Thank you. What about you, ate? We have also...
This is the real one. This is the real one.
Ilang kinong maliit. Siguro hindi nagkasya sa bag.
Dexa, let's play together.
Just play together.
Yeah, ito.
Yan. You can open that one at home na, guys, okay? This gift is from one of Dexy's friends and best friend in school.
Dear Jocelyn.
Jocelyn.
It's a bear. It's a bear.
Wow! So cute! It's yellow and pink. Okay, another one. That's so cute socks. That's so sweet of Jocelyn. Okay, thank you, Jocelyn, for the love.
Pop-up stickers.
Oh, yeah. And I think she have a card for you. Can you read the card?
Money.
Okay, read first, Dexa.
You wanna read it?
Read it.
Birthday 7 today. Happy birthday. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wow. You know how to read?
Your 7th birthday will be filled with lots of exciting things to do. Having fun with friends too. May it be a very happy and special day for you. Happy birthday, Dexa, from Destin.
Wow. Okay, ate.
Okay. May all the moments of your birthday make your heart smile, for you deserve all the happiness a birthday can bring. Happy birthday, Dexy. Maganda ka from Jocelyn.
Wow. Thank you, Jocelyn. O sige. Akala niya, birthday pa niya. May karapatan ka pa ba ngayon? Ala ka ng karapatan. Sige. Okay.
Ilagay mo na namin sa...
Okay.
I have the keys.
So yan, nakapag-check out na kami. Ayan. So, ito yung room namin ulit. Malinis naman. Yan yung room namin here. May konti din siyang living room area. Ang ganda din ng kanyang view here. City view to. Wala tong bundok dito. Yan. Nexy. Plain view daw. Hindi daw city view. Maraming ang food na naiwan. Pinatake out ko kasi dun sa buffet. Kasi parang halos hindi ka ako nakakain. May sarili kaming microwave. Ayan, mga for your coffee. Walang nag-coffee dito. May maliit din siyang fridge. Double check ko lang yung mga fridge. Baka may nakalimutan akong food ng mga kids. Wala naman. Ayan, basura namin. No, nothing na. Okay? So yun, check out na kami. Ending entrance niya. Ayan, sarili namin ng pool. Ganda din pala ng pool nila dito. Hi! Go! Careful, baby, careful. Yeah, swim muna kami.
Mom, go. Dexa, you do it, you swim. Show us. From here to there. To the... No. Oh, okay. Ikaw din, Mommy. Swim one more time. Oh, Dexa, go. Dexa, you're walking. Come, Mama. Go. Okay, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise.
Ng hotel na to. I think hanggang 12th floor lang to. Kasi nasa 12th floor kami yung pinakalas sa Tower 2. Kasi I think this one is Tower 1. Alam ko ang Tower 2 is bago ata nila yan eh. Ayan, see you again! Ayan, halos ayaw kainin ng mga bata to. Yung harapan niya ayaw nilang galawin. Kasi nakakatuwa eh, parang ayaw mo nga kainin din tong cake na to sa ganda niya. Yan, ito, ang ginawa ni Dexy pa nga eh. Tignan mo ginawa niyo. Oh. Nilipat pa niya dito. Tago na namin kasi sabi ko baka masira na sa fridge. Yeah, okay. Ayan naman kay Dexa's cake. So, mga details din kinuha namin.
Guys, look at my nails.
Ayan, ito daw. Ayan, oh, na-enjoy niya na yung mga gift.
Got my nails done.
Yeah, that's from Ninang, May, Sedi, and Cody.
Got done. I love your gift. Your gift is the best of all, and also Ninang Mom. The makeup gift forever today.
Oh, yan, na-enjoy niya na yung mga gift niyo. Ayan, so ito yung details ng kanyang cake. Yeah. Nilagay din niya dito. Yan, Dexa, 7th. Ayaw din nilang kainin. Same with this one kay ate niya. Sabi ko, enjoyin nyo na lang muna. Hindi nyo naman kakainin to kasi more on sugar naman siya. Yan, ini-enjoy nila. Yan din kay Dexa.